Hey guys, welcome to the Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off Find My Device on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to disable or turn off Find My Device, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to disable or turn off Find My Device on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your Samsung phone. While on the settings page, just want to scroll down until you get to apps and click on that. Then once you've selected apps, click on the three dots at top right. Then you have access to permission manager, special access, and reset app preferences. So go ahead and click on special access. Now once you've selected special access, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on device admin apps. Click on that. Then under device admin apps, you should have access to Find My Device turned on. Now to disable Find My Device, just toggle this off. Then you should support that says this admin app is active and allow Google Play service to perform the following: delete all data, change lock screen, disable some lock screen features. Just go ahead and click on deactivate. Repeat this on the second one again and then tap deactivate. Then once that is disabled, then you should see Find My Device disabled or turned off on your Samsung Galaxy device. So that is basically how to turn off Find My Device on Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.